Hello guys, in today's video I have something special. I am going to show you how to get Pokemon Go Spoofer. This spoofer is the most easiest one and does not require any computer. As you can see, I can roam freely with the joystick. I have custom joystick, GPS, maps to travel, and now it is very easy to catch the Pokemon. It only takes 2 minutes and you can have it in your device. The settings section here have speed, custom dark mode, joystick options, and tons you other option you can explore yourself. Make sure to check all the settings in required to get this. Wow guys, I am amazed to see a working method. This is the best one I have seen till date. I just cannot believe that it works so good. Do try it out once. Now we need to change some settings in our device to actually make it working. Make sure you follow the steps given in the video. Otherwise, it will not work. Yes, guys, these settings are super important and best working till date. Once the settings are done, now I am going to show you how to get joystick actually in the game. But because of copyright strike, YouTube does not allow it, but I have attached link to video in comment section.